Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and we have the VEVOR Tool Pack to demonstrate to you, and how it might be just the tool bag you need. It being a backpack means that you can carry your tools and everything you need a distance away to the job that you might have, instead of carrying it by hand and then free up your hands to carry something else while your tools and supplies are on your back. I've already placed tools in here to show you how an electrician, it could be car, home, air conditioning, whatever an electrician needs, you can assemble the tools and the parts and supplies you need in your tool bag. And when you go from the truck to that job that's a distance away, throw this on your back and take off. Now we're going to take this all apart and show you the features of it. The bottom is flat, it's almost like a tray here, so it's not going to just tip over. That is one good thing, it's not just soft, that the weight is going to take it over. Very good feature. All right, turning on around, on the side you have all these little elastic straps to place things, and you have these little pouches right here, and you also have a deep pouch here. Now I'm going to start taking stuff out and letting you see what all we got. Electrician can always use a soldering iron, and you've got a deep pocket here for any little things that you need. Like right here, these are all kinds of blades you need, bits, and it's a deep pocket. It goes way down, so you remember what items you have where, and there. These are all things that would be very important to an electrician working on all the power boxes and everything. Okay. Here is an extension for the power screwdriver. So you got all those tools, and then you've got crescent wrenches and vice grips, and here is a test light right here that you can test 12 volts for cars and what have you. You might need a pen. We'll see later. We have a place to put documents. You may have a work order that you have to do, so you need a pen. You got a place here for electricians' pliers, screwdrivers, side cutters, they need those, and just a regular pair of pliers to tighten things. Okay, so that takes care of that side right there. Up on the top is the main handle. If you don't want to, if you just have a short distance, you don't need to put it on your back. You do have a handle here that you can pick the whole thing up. Now we go around here to the front. Now, right here, you have a little flap with a pocket. I would say this is where you want to put things that are, you want quickly. So you have to organize it to your best needs, and only you know that. I find these very helpful for an electrician, is little alligator clips where you need to clip on things and make some tests. Here is the prime thing that all of them have to use, is a multimeter right here, and it's really handy. You don't have to unzip everything to pull your meter out and your cords. So if you spend a little time, you can organize it where it'll be just right for your needs. This is just an example of what I see that would help you to see it in use. Okay, going on down, right here is a little zipper, and it's a little pocket down here. Okay, I need these handy, this handy, and there's a perfect place. This is my glasses. I can't go along without them, so it's right here where I need it, and I'm not going to lose them. So, there. Now, electrician, these are tools that he's going to use a lot. Wire stripper, pliers, little things to hold wires and for soldering or what have you. These are great tools for a lot of applications. And long nose. Electrician always has to have long nose. Okay, so there they are, all handy. Anything that you want real handy, you've got on the outside that you don't even have to open the case. So you may not have to really open the case for a lot of jobs. Okay, now let's take this part off. And right here we can unhook this. I'm going to show you over here. See, this right here will come down. So you can unhook that and unhook this from these little catches right here. Then you pull this down. Now this is another right on the front before you have to open anything else. You got a little test cable here that you can check current, and we have a current meter here for the electrician. And you need this because when you plug something in and you want the current, you can clip that onto the wire. So this is a homemade device to give me a cord that I can access the hot connector. Okay, so I got that. And then in here, these are bits for the screwdriver. The screw gun may be a big job and wear them out. I've got an adapter plug plus some wire nuts and splicing, little splicing devices. Sometimes you may need to scrape something. All of this is useful and it's right handy. So you select the tools that are handy and it will be really great. And these are handy for things that will go on just about every day. And put this back in, and my meter. And you can put this back on once you've gotten in there and you don't need it any longer. Okay. Now, there we went to the front and saw everything without opening this zipper, which is going to go into another compartment. Over on the other side, they made handy. Tape measure is indispensable. You've got to measure to place things, wall switches on a wall, and so many inches up and down. Okay, it's right here real quick. They put a little catch specially made for the this little unit right here. And I'm going to put those back in a minute, but right here, electrical tape, and we have tools, crimping connectors, channel locks. You can't beat those. Anybody can use them. And you go down and there's no more stuff hanging out. You got screwdrivers, a marker, always indispensable. A little box cutter, small, don't need anything real big, and a little small screwdriver. Those wall plugs, that little screw, perfect. Regular screwdriver, these are really great for working on a car, the molding to place wires and stuff like that, and it's also a good pry because it's insulated, so if you're working around electricity you can use it to pry wires out. Very indispensable. And you just put it right there. Screwdriver. Sometimes you don't want to go find a small wrench when you can just use this little thing, and it's right here handy. We're going to go and open this up. So we unzip this. It goes all the way down and on this side. Okay, and then we can flip down, and now right in here, this holds that out. We have an insert in here, and I'm going to go ahead and take it out. I have all the tools on this side. There's another place with pouches on the other side, but I only need this side right now. I don't need all the tools. This is the small wrenches that I need, with a couple of big ones for some of those big nuts you need. Okay, this is the little clips, and they go in this side, and you could mount it this way. These may be for special pliers and tools that you need. Oh, and I did have one wrench in there I was trying to demonstrate. Okay, so you can take this out. You could have all your wrenches that you need, metric and a standard, and the pliers. So this could be taken to the job, and everything you need is right on this little panel. So you'd organize that according to the jobs you needed. Okay, here a pair of gloves would be handy like this. So I'll throw those in. And look, it'll accommodate a drill, power drill, and you could have a battery and charger and an extra battery if you've got a big job. Okay, and right here, sometimes you have to cut things out, and we have a saw blade assortment right here. Electrician always has to cut openings for wall outlets and what have you. Well, if you're going to use the saw blade, you can get an attachment for your drill. And look, you don't have to have a separate saw. You just go ahead and get this in here and put your saw blade there. So you get tools that have multiple uses and attachments, and that will save space of getting two tools in. So that's good. All right, let's get this back, and then I got my drill. Okay. All right, and one other thing, these little screwdrivers, they're very handy to have a set of these, and it just goes right in there. Now, one other thing they give you is a little lock. These zippers have a hole in them, the zipper buckle, and then when you get them zipped, you can keep people from getting in here. And if you have the valuable stuff in here, you could lock it, okay, with the lock. So they did give you one, and there's little instructions on how to set the lock up. All right, that comes inside there. And here is another feature that I really like. We all have cell phones, and we use them a lot in our jobs. And right here is a little port that you can have power. You say, well, darn, what can I do with this? Well, right here, we got a little pack right here. This is an endoscope that you can see through walls. Very good to have. And it connects into my phone. Here is a power supply. So you take a power supply and you have it charged up for the day, and there shows me my full charge, and I can plug this into here. And then you have to bring the cords you need. So I've got a cord from my phone right here, and I just go around here, plug this into here. Now what it amounts to is you can have this inside zipped up, and so you don't have to pull this out and use it. So anytime you need power, you can do it from there. And you don't have to turn it on. It'll automatically turn on when you plug something in at most of these power supplies. And there it is. It's charging. Right there, 42%, and it's got the little lightning bolt. And then stick this in. Now, as you have a lot of stuff in, you see you got to work with it. Okay, and this, I just bend this down and find this little clip and pull that one, clip that one in. It would be easier if it were on the outside, but I'm just showing you, you can clip it so that the tools are shown that you're using, the sides you're using. Okay, so this will work. We have one last important compartment. On the back, you'll find a zipper. Goes all the way, this whole back zips off. And you just go around like this, pull this down, and look what you got here. Let me move this around. A place to store things like a computer. Very helpful for on the job to get back to those forms and documentation you need. A computer would be very helpful. Also, you could have documentation, work orders and all of that, and you've got your pen on the other side to complete those forms. So you could have documents that you need in this area, and computer, a iPad or some sort of a portable small computer. Everything is ready, and we're going to place this on the back. And it's going to be helpful if you had this on the tailgate of a truck or something, or up high, to make it easier to put on. Okay, so I unclip those, and now I'm just going to put my arms into these, and after you do this a couple of times, it would be easy. Then I flip this and adjust it to the tightness that you need. Also, with these straps, you can pull down and make it tighter or looser depending on how your frame is situated. Okay, now there we go. Let me step out here, let you see this all the way around. Now, if you have to go a distance, 30 pounds carrying in your hand, plus you're carrying some other thing, I have my hands free that I can take another tool with me that I might need that's larger and be just fine. So there's going to be a lot of applications for this tool backpack. And you can see, you can get all the tools that you need for your particular job. Kind of job related, you know. I only take the tools I need. All right, folks. I want to thank you very much for watching my video.